Here we've got the Solid Wood Bench. This is in the black and it's got the brown legs. So we're going to go ahead and open this box and assemble it together. We were sent this to test out in exchange for an honest review, and we're going to let you know exactly what we think. So far, everything is packaged really neatly. The bench pieces are protected and all the hardware and tools are neatly organized. Inside the box, you'll find the solid Acacia Wood bench top, the sturdy legs, screws and hardware, an instruction sheet, and assembly tool. So first impression, the wood finish looks beautiful. That black mix of brown tone gives it a modern farmhouse or a minimalist vibe that works in so many different spaces. Assembly is straightforward. No complicated steps and no power tools needed. You're going to attach the legs to the bench top, line up the pre-drilled holes, insert and tighten the screws, flip it upright, and check stability. This whole process took me about 10 to 15 minutes from start to finish. Everything lined up perfectly, and once tightened, it felt solid and sturdy. I didn't have to fight with any of the tools. I didn't have to worry about any of the holes not being drilled in the right spaces. Everything was done correctly. Now for my favorite part, styling it in the bedroom. I placed this bench right at the foot of the bed, and it instantly makes the space feel more finished and designer inspired. It's perfect for laying out tomorrow's outfit, sitting down to put on shoes, tossing extra blankets and pillows, adding a decorative tray or basket. I love how it adds function and style without taking up too much space. This bench is perfect for anyone upgrading their bedroom decor, or entryway organization lovers, or someone who wants a minimalist home style. This solid wood bench is one of those pieces, in my opinion, that feels simple, timeless, and practical.